What's up, you guys? You guys are here with Distinguished Minds today, and I am none other than Dad, aka Distinguished Jason. And today we are meeting up with the winners of our back-to-school contest, and he is going to spend $200 of our money. That is right, 200 big ones on anything he wants to inside of the Kickxunlimited store. So catch up with us in a few minutes and see what he decides to grab. I have an older cousin who plays a lot of travel. They go to Vegas and all these things and return those rings, but I'm just such a psycho about baseball that it freaks me out to play softball. I don't know why. Alright, so what's up, you guys? It is me again, your father, Distinguished Jason. We're back again. So about 2 months ago, we decided that we were going to do a back-to-school giveaway to give away to 2 lucky winners. We're now sitting with one of them, and you are Tommy. My guy Tommy. So Tommy drove all the way down from Grass Valley, right? Yeah. How far is Grass Valley from here in Sacramento?
It's like an hour and a half.
Okay, that is a long drive, but I would have made the same drive for $200 to spend inside of Kickxunlimited. Shout out to our guys here at Kickx. They are holding us down today, and they're going to allow us to do some shopping and spend some cash. So this is all yours, bud. Right. We're going to go inside. We're going to hang out with him, get to know what some of his favorite brands are. And we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
She say she's done with me, but it's not the last time. I love talking baseball, America's pastime. Now I got the wave, they searching all day for me with a flashlight. Big dough, watch the cash fly. Whole world off my last hype. I think she's from Shanghai. I always keep her in mind. Elementary, how they stand.
So we're gonna walk around a little bit. I guess kind of show me some of the shoes that you were shopping with today. What are some of your favorite looks in here? He has all the all-white Yeezys right now. Other way. Yeah. So let's walk. Let's see what you got. What are some of the things you're kind of picking out and digging in this place?
I don't know, like, I wasn't trying to look at shoes too expensive. I usually see the go towards the expensive ones.
I understand that. My parents would say the same thing about me in my youth. I had really expensive taste. I always would walk in and be like, oh, Mom, can I get this? And before I even look at the price tag, it's like $250. Like this style. So what'd you pick out?
I was kind of looking into the one of my
when he is the leader of the organization, you see that on your head coach.
Do you know the story behind Dornbecker?
Yeah, it's a children's hospital where they let their children choose how to design.
You can always sit in front of it.
I think they
So the Dornbeckers are designed inside of Children's Hospital by children. They usually pick 8 to 10 models every year. As a matter of fact, it's the season for Dornbeckers all over again. So I know they're doing a Jordan 13. Actually doing a pair of these guys. I killed the name on these even though I want a pair. Nike React Elements. And a few other styles. So check it out. It's a great cause to give money back to for Children's Hospital. They raise money for cancer patients. So that's pretty cool. This kid's got taste, guys.
She say she's done with me, but it's not the last time. I love talking baseball, America's pastime. Now I got the wave, they searching all day for me with a flashlight. Big dough, watch the cash fly. Whole world off my last hype. I think she's from Shanghai.
It's impossible because he can use his quickness, which I think is
so what made you
then you come back and say, I'm going to help the team. And he's power. Yeah, the power, the speed. And when he gets to the quarterback, he's looking to beat the ball out.
I have no idea. I just felt really confident about it, and I had a feeling I was going to win. I usually don't have that feeling.
Yeah, there's like 8 to 10 kids who are like really focused on getting a chance to win. But you hit me up like I think like once a week, which is not too much. No, it's perfect because it's not too much because it's not every day, but it wasn't too little. It kept you top of mind, and you were just talking to me like a regular human. So I was like, I like this kid. I'm definitely gonna make sure he wins. So I was like, perfect.
watch the cash fly. Oh, world on my last high. I think she's from Shanghai. I always keep it in mind. Elementary at its I'm gonna teach you today every time. I know too much. I never show too much. She says she's done with me, but it's not that.
Thank you.
Talking baseball.
Get one for him. Can I have this? Thank you.
Yes, all of my eyes. Tell her look on the bright side. And she knows just what I like. Never trip, keep your shoes tight. Spread love, don't abuse life. View yours how I view mine.
Hey.
I think I'm one of a kind.
Today, I think the anti-social social code windbreaker.
Nice.
I'm speaking of it. Look good on right now. It's cold outside.
You can play Christmas music with it.
That thing was fire. And I'm extremely excited that we got somebody that came to shop with us that had taste, because we had some good stuff. In the very back end of this, everything we do in terms of giving back, we always give back a piece of our brand as well. So we are gifting you with one of the new distinguished lines hats for you to take home.
Alright, thank
you. Came, you distinguished yourself very much. So always a pleasure. Follow me on Instagram. That is Distinguished Jason. Kalani's sick, so she's behind the camera today. Follow her as well. That's Kalani_Nicole. Follow my guy right here, and his Instagram is
Tommy Thompson.
Thank you.
And I have a special mind. It took a while just to get it right. Spread my wings and watch me fly. She says she's done with me, but it's not the last time. I love talking baseball, America's pastime. Now I got the wave, they searching all day for me with a flashlight. Big dough, watch the cash fly. Whole world off my last high.